Hey everybody, how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More. I have a unboxing to do, a friend gift. I've had it for about a week and I just haven't had the opportunity to open it so that I can video. This is from Mike's Chaotic Gardening, and I asked him for two different types of peppers that were mentioned in I believe Miss Linda's one of her lives, and one was a lipstick pepper, and darn it, I can't even think of the other one, but it was some type of exotic hot pepper. And he said he would send it to me. So now I'm wondering why, it's not just in the envelope, it's in this box. But he has mentioned in lives before that he has a tendency to send more than what you asked for. So I'm excited. Um, I'm excited. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna start out with Lisa pepper. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna have to look that up and see what that's about. So I got Lisa pepper, and what's next? Oh, this is not a pepper at all. North Georgia Candy Roaster Squash. Oh, I've been wanting to try Candy Roaster. Oh my goodness. Yes, 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 yes. Cool, cool, cool. Now we have, yeah, he does send more than what you asked for. My goodness, Mike. Thank you. Tiger melon. Tigger melon. Never heard of it. I will have to, it won't focus. Tigger, Tigger. I will have to look that up. Do a little research on that one. Never heard of that. Um, what is this? This is what I asked for. Lipstick pepper. Lipstick pepper. I've still got to do my research. I don't know much about it. I don't know how hot it is, but I got some seeds. Thank you, Mike. Thank you. There's more, y'all. Ha! Mike's okra. Okay, Mike's okra. Maybe I can get some okra to grow this next season because I did not have success. So we got Mike's okra. Cool. What else? There's more. Goodness gracious, Mike. My gosh. Oh, I got the toothache plant. Okay. That's a medicinal herb. And there's a lot of it. That's cool. Sweet. Okay, thank you. Okay, what else? I got marigolds. Okay. Thank you so much. Love my flowers. Love marigolds. We need those in the garden. Pest pressure. Oh my goodness, there's some packages in here, y'all. Here we go. Gee whiz, Mike. Oh my goodness. I got beets, Valley Green, Detroit Dark Red beets. Yes. Oh my gosh, my goodness gracious. I've got lettuce. I've never grown lettuce before. Ice green. This is Valley Green brand as well. Green ice, I'm sorry. Lettuce. I can grow that in the house, right? Winter growing. Okay, giving me ideals. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe what's in this package. My goodness gracious. I asked for two things. Just kindly asked for two things. He is so kind. Beefsteak tomatoes, also Valley Green. Those huge tomatoes. No, I'm not done. My gracious. I've got dill. And these are all Valley Green brand. Mammoth Long Island dill. Another herb. Oh my gosh. More tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. Oh, yum. Yes. Cherry tomatoes. Exciting. Oh, I got some broccoli. Calabrese green sprouting broccoli. I tried to grow some. It didn't sprout for me. It didn't germinate. Or it germinated, but it didn't do anything else. Oh my gosh. I've got radishes, champion radishes. I got a whole big garden in this little old box. Oh, I'm not done. I'm not done. Turnip greens. 7-top heirloom variety. 7-top turnip greens. You know we love our greens. Oh, Michael, thank you. Oh, I don't know if your full name is Michael or not, but Mike. Secret Squirrel, thank you so much. Oh, zucchini black beauty. Squash, heirloom variety. Love my squash, all types of squash. Goodness gracious, this is a bottomless pit here. I have, how do you say this? Nantis Corliss. Nantis Corliss carrot, heirloom variety. Wow. Um, and my pumpkins did not, what do you call it? Pollinate. So I've got some more pumpkins. Thank you. Jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. I might have to, artificially inseminate those jokers this coming season. Cucumbers. Market More 76 heirloom variety cucumbers. I got one cucumber. Do you hear me? I got one cucumber off those vines. Oh, yes. And I love this. Early prolific straight neck squash, heirloom variety. Did I get any of this? No, did not pollinate. And I thought I artificially what do you call it? Pollinated. What happened? They grew, they fell off, so they didn't connect like they should have. Oh, my stuff is done in the oven. Okay, that is all. That is a lot. A lot. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Would you look at this? I could play cards with this, like it's a deck of cards. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Mike. I truly, truly am excited and appreciate all of this to add to my collections. Whoopee! Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Peace and love, and we'll see you soon. Toodles!